How to use Doordash virtual card at ATM. I'm going to show you how you can easily use Doordash virtual card at ATM. First, you cannot use a Doordash virtual card at an ATM. Doordash virtual cards are designed for online use inside the Doordash app to order delicious meals from your favorite restaurants. These virtual cards are linked directly to your Doordash account. They're not like debit or credit cards that you can take to any ATM for cash withdrawals. Instead, think of them as super handy digital wallets specifically for your food orders on Doordash. Doordash virtual cards stay strictly in the digital realm for a few good reasons. Firstly, these cards enhance the convenience of ordering food. They're quick and secure, and streamline the payment process within the Doordash app. Moreover, since Doordash is about delivering happiness right to your doorstep, their virtual cards aim to keep the process hassle-free by sticking to what they know best. So while you won't be able to use them at an ATM, these virtual cards do make ordering food super easy and fun. With the PlayBite app, you can play casual games, earn points, and redeem them for amazing rewards, including Doordash gift cards.